All right, so here we've got our pre-cut kit for our partial A-pillar. This is gonna go from about the front to like 5 to 6 inches past the windshield on your A-pillar. So right now we're gonna throw our passenger side. Go ahead and peel your film back off of the liner. Now with your adhesive side, spray your pillar. Go ahead and lay that material down. Once you've got it positioned, take your tack solution. You're gonna line up your front side. Go ahead and tack that down. You're gonna work your way from the bottom to the top. So once you get to the curve, you're gonna spray some more tack solution and you're gonna follow the curve. Go ahead, position your material, center it as best as possible. All right, once you're done, wipe down your pillar, check for any excess moisture that was left over, and you're good to go. Go ahead and repeat the same steps on the other side for the driver's side A-pillar.